Welcome to our channel Java Beam, and this is Satya. In this video I am going to explain you about the enhancements to the null pointer exception from Java 14. So we know null pointer exception is the most annoying exception in Java. When we are developing our code, it is very difficult to trace where we are getting null pointer exception. But in Java 14 they are trying to resolve this issue, and they're trying to help the developers with giving more readability to the null pointer exception. Here are the advantages. Like, we might write the code which is calling chain of methods from one method to another method. There might be multiple methods are being called from the one line origination. So it's very difficult to find where the exception is originated. So here they are trying to improve the readability of null pointer exception by generated by JVM by describing the which variable is null. Let's see with example. Here is my JDK8 configured Eclipse. Let me run this. Here I am running this. See, this is the exception I am getting at JDK8. Exception in thread main java.lang.nullPointer exception at wargilsun.npedemo.main at line number 10. So it is saying that in line number 10 you are getting a null pointer exception, but if you see in line number 10 there are chain of methods are being called. First it's calling from an object, it is calling one method get users. From get users it is being called get emp. From that emp we are calling some method h1. So where it is going wrong, it's not specifying, it is saying line number 10. So that is the problem with null pointer exception. If you want to know exactly in JDK8, we have to debug this code and we have to find each object. We have to go into each object to see which method causing the null pointer exception. But let's see in JDK 14 how the null pointer exception readability got improved. This is the JDK 14 configured Eclipse. Let me run this. Here see, it is giving the message exception in thread main java.lang.nullPointer exception cannot invoke this is the package name warg.java 14 and this is my class name. So class.getEmp. So when you are calling your user object.getEmp, you are getting exception. It's saying in line number 10 when you are calling obj is nothing but user object, user dot get user method is throwing exception. That's the reason you are getting error, because the return value of the user get user method is returning null. See how how good it is. Here you are able to see exactly which method is throwing error and why it is going wrong. In out of calling on 3 methods, it's saying this is going wrong, that's the reason get emp is throwing null pointer exception because it is null. This is how Java 14 is trying to improve null pointer exception to help the developers. Hope this will be part of Java in future, but as of now it is still a preview feature. They're seeing one risk in terms of security, because it is exposing the reference variables and methods to the exception trace. So it will be visible to everyone who is looking into those exceptions. Apart from that, it is very good feature for developers. Hope so it will be part in future. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe my channel to get latest updates. Signing off.